Hello once again and welcome to the Waters and Stanton video channel. I'm glad you could join me. It's been a busy few days actually. I motored down to the holiday park in Suffolk to do some tests on an antenna. It was only a couple of days, but I also stopped off in Colchester to visit the Colchester Amateur Radio Club, and I was well received there and I was asked to give a talk, which I did. I was very impressed with the location, which is in the centre of Colchester, and they've got quite a large membership. There was around about 35 members that turned up for the talk, and it was very enjoyable. I think they enjoyed it and I enjoyed meeting them as well. As I say, I then went on to Suffolk to do some work on an antenna, which I'll describe in an upcoming video. I'm talking about floating ATUs. Floating ATUs, Peter, what are you talking about? Well, stick around for a week or so and I will tell you. And when I came back, we are now into Black Friday. So first of all, let me just show you a clip of a short interview I did with Richard from the Colchester Radio Club. And then let me tell you about Black Friday and what we've got on offer, or at least some of what we've got on offer. There's quite a lot. So here's my chat with Richard.
We're here at the Colchester Radio Club in Essex. I'm here with Richard, G0NAD, who's the chairman. And Richard, thanks for asking me along here. How many have you got in the club at the moment?
So I think we're running around 25 to 30 members now. Subscriptions are just coming again, so we'll see who pushes forward into next year, but we've got healthy membership.
That's quite good. And how often do you meet?
So we meet every month at here at the Wilson Marriage Centre in Colchester.
Right.
So it's the third Thursday in every month that we meet. And then quarterly as well, we do a sort of online meeting on Skype, because sometimes we get speakers coming in from the US and abroad, and some people aren't so able to get in, so that works well.
Well, it's certainly a nice location. I must admit, we found it very easily and plenty of parking space.
One of the good features.
Yeah, so if you're thinking of coming along to the Colchester Club, how far away do members travel?
So we come from all around the area really. I suppose the furthest away probably out in the Tendring Peninsula, so sort of Frinton, Walton, Clacton, that kind of area, right. And out to sort of Tiptree and even into sort of areas of Suffolk up to Ipswich.
Well, I think it's very important to consider joining a radio club. When I started in ham radio, or before I was licensed, I went to the local club and I found it tremendous help in really understanding amateur radio and how to get into it and what to do, and etc. etc. You get lots of advice, don't you?
No, exactly, and we're very keen on running courses as well. We've done foundation courses, intermediate courses, right. Full courses, and we're planning on doing that again next year. So, anybody that's interested, be happy to support them in that.
Good. Well, there we are. If you're within a striking distance of Colchester, or just passing through, why not pay a visit to the Colchester Radio Club? And just to remind everybody, the meetings are on Thursdays.
Third Thursday of the month.
Third Thursday of the month. That's right. And I'm sure you'd be very welcome. Absolutely. Thanks so much, Richard. Thank you.
Thanks, Peter.
Well, as I say, it's a very progressive club. They're very active. There's quite a few energetic members. They're organising all sorts of things. I think they go out kayaking and goodness knows what. But if you're ever in the Colchester area, particularly the third Thursday of the month, then pay them a visit. It's at a place called the Wilson Marriage Centre. Nothing to do with marriage. I think that must have been his surname. But it's quite a large centre. And if you go in there and you'll see on the board which room the group are meeting, the third Thursday of the month. There we are. Now, let's take a look at Black Friday and what we've got on offer. The Black Friday offer goes on and runs on until the 27th of November, which is a Monday. So you've got a few days to take a look. All the offers are on our website. But one or two tips that you can save even more money. First of all, Yaesu have got some cashback offers. So as well as getting a discount on those items, you'll also get a cashback from Yaesu. How does it work? Well, you buy the radio, you send a copy of your receipt to Yaesu UK, and you'll get a cheque in a few weeks' time offering you the cashback amount. That's great, isn't it? But you could also save some more money. Part exchange. I mean, while we're doing this Black Friday, there's nothing to stop you doing a part exchange deal. I mean, the ultimate part exchange deal would be to do a part exchange or bring an item in for part exchange, buy a Yaesu cashback item and get a discount on the price as well. Wow, that's the ultimate, isn't it? But maybe you're looking at something else. So don't forget, the part exchange offers that we give are very good. Just give us a call or pop in or whatever, and we'll be happy to do a deal with you. So let's now take a look at some of the items that are on the Black Friday list of discounted products.
First up is a Yaesu cashback item, the top of the range FTDX 101 MP, a significant saving. And the ever popular Yaesu FTDX 10 is also on the Black Friday list. And not to be left behind, the ICOM IC7300, amazing transceiver, also on the Black Friday list. And here's your chance to add quite a few dB to your signal, the ACOM 1200S solid state amplifier, almost £200 off. But if you'd prefer your amplifier to be valve based with the advantage of a Pi network, which is effectively inbuilt ATU, take a look at this massive ACOM 1500, 1.5 kilowatts. Wow.
Now, before you say that power limit is over the top, do remember that shortly we expect the full licensee to be able to run 1 kilowatt, and that 1 kilowatt is the power at the antenna. So you are allowed to take in the loss on a bit of coax. So 1.5 kilowatts is possibly legal sometime next year if you've got a 3 dB loss or a little bit less than that in your coax.
And here's the ever popular AOR receiver. It can decode more digital signals than any other receiver on the market. There's bargains to be had on antennas as well. Take a look at this massive log periodic array, 14 to 30 megahertz, 5 ham radio bands, all in one boom. And take a look at this military grade portable radio, the Discovery TX500. It's totally waterproof. It's the toughest portable radio on the ham radio market. I love the Rig Expert antenna analyzer range. Take a look at this one. And we couldn't resist slipping in the latest Yaesu FT710 Field. Not only do you get a discount, you also get cash back. Absolute bargain. And there's lots more where this came from. Look how busy we've been in the warehouse, picking out all these choice items of ham radio equipment. Click onto our offer page now and take a look in detail. There's surely something that you'll be interested in. There's some great bargains.
So there we are, there's some great offers on our Black Friday page. Go onto our website, the banner at the top, click on the banner at the top, Black Friday, and it'll show you all the items we got on offer. This may be the time to buy that new radio or that new antenna or whatever. And don't forget, part exchange, we still do part exchange, and of course the Yaesu cashback. And if you're looking to do a deal, just give us a ring. We'll be more than happy to try and sort something out for you. In the meantime, thank you for your support on this channel. We're almost up to 25,000 subscribers now, which is great. It's nice to get your support. And don't forget, at Milton Keynes, which is very near the motorway, the M1 motorway, we've got a great selection of gear there, and you can always pop down and pick the gear up or whatever, take a look round. Be more than happy. But if you're further away, of course, you can pick the phone up or you can go onto our website. One way or another, we'd love to do a deal with you. In the meantime, you take care, enjoy your ham radio, and as usual, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.